first thing, okay, I was having the water. Okay, so the first thing when you do to solve the para jumble reserve, you look for the subject and the theme. Okay, and to identify the subject and the theme, you actually get into the mode of the opening sentence. Okay, now in case if I just gonna browse through all the sentences, the first cannot be the opening sentences because it talks about these. Okay, and then again two, it talks about it. Okay, so and its deficiency, so there has to be some other thing which tells me what this it is all about. Okay, the affiliation and the tries provided by such mini cultures. Okay, so such is again is not hinting to me. Okay, so maybe in case if I'm gonna read the option number 4. Okay, so we can say that the deep culture of modernity is almost an exclusive celebration of the autonomous individual loose from all strong commitments and guided only by his or her appetites and preferences. So 4 seems to be a good opening sentence. Okay, so we can say that only sentence 4 can be at the beginning of the sentence. Okay, now let's see, the deep cultures of modernity is almost an exclusive celebration of the autonomous individual loose from all strong commitments and guided only by his or her appetites and preferences. Okay, now the after the 4, the correct option is actually 2. Okay, see, the social critic Philip Rieff famously dubbed it an anti-culture and its deficiency. Now, it is actually the deep culture of modernity. Okay, now the social critic Philip famously dubbed it an anti-culture. Now, what is an anti-culture? This deep culture of modernity. Okay, so that is actually an anti-culture. Okay, because why it is anti-culture and its deficiency includes the therapeutic ethos, partly account for the multitude of mini cultures that have emerged from it. Okay, so there are many mini cultures that have emerged from a deep culture of modernity. Okay, now after 4 2, it will be 1 because it is talking about the mini cultures that have emerged from it. Now these mini cultures, okay, based on everything, so can you know, like, these mini cultures refer to the multitude of mini cultures which is presented in the option number statement number 2, so 4 2 and 1. Okay, so these mini cultures based on everything from ethnic identities to hobbies to life stages do indeed identify and isolate an idea issuer group, the affiliations and ties provided by such mini cultures. Okay, now what is this such mini cultures? So that is actually what is being reflected in the first. Okay, so concluded by 3 by so commenting, see, the affiliations and the ties provided by such mini cultures are ultimately fragile and contingent. Okay, so this actually concludes the entire paragraph by commenting on the nature of the mini cultures. Okay, so 4 2 1 3 is actually the correct sequence of this paragraph.